Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by targeting only numeric cells so your edits won't break text. Once the sheet is active, select the full sheet or the specific range you want changed. Next, choose Home, Find and Select, go to Special, then pick Constants and check Numbers only. This isolates every cell Excel recognizes as a number across the selection. Make sure you see only numeric highlights. If not, repeat selection for the correct range before moving on to the transformation step. Once numbers are highlighted, decide what you'll do: replace values, scale them, add a fixed amount, or change format. For arithmetic changes across all selected cells, type the operation as a formula in the formula bar referencing the active cell and press Ctrl+Enter to apply it to every selected cell simultaneously. Alternatively, to scale values, enter the multiplier in one cell, copy it. Then with numbers still selected, choose Paste Special and Multiply. For pure format changes, use format cells and set number, currency, or percentage. After transforming numbers, lock in final results by converting formulas to values. Copy the selection and use Paste Special values. Once done, verify totals or sample cells with SUM or manual checks to ensure expected changes. If some cells didn't change, they were likely text. Make sure to convert them using text to columns or wrap with value before repeating the operation. If unexpected blanks or errors appear, undo, correct the selection, and reapply the chosen Paste Special or formula method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.